Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to take emails backup in your Microsoft Outlook. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to take backup of your emails in your Microsoft Outlook, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to click on Start menu, then search here Outlook. Click on Outlook. In this you can see here file, just click on the file. After that you will find open and export, just click on open and export. In this you can see import and export, just click on import and export. Here you have to select export to a file, just select export to a file, click on next. After that you have to select Outlook data file.txt and click on next. Then here you have to select the folder. If you want to take all the backup, outbox, sendbox, inbox, draft, if you want to take all the backup, you just need to select your email ID. If you want to take only inbox backup, then you can select the inbox. I have to take complete backup, so I'll select my email ID, then click on next. Select replace duplicate with item exported, then click for the location where you want to save the backup file. Just click on browse. I will select as desktop, rename it as whatever you want, new backup. Then click OK, then click on finish. Here you need to type the password of your email ID. Again you have to confirm your password. Just click on OK. Type the password for your backup file. And click OK. That's it guys. So in this way you can take emails backup in your Microsoft Outlook. It will take some time. You have to wait to complete this process. After completion of this process, you can close this window. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.